So the GMAT has set up the 5 answer choices to this question in a way that I think encourages us to just estimate, because if you imagine that this shape that they provided is just one full rectangle, so complete that rectangle all the way to the top, you'd have a 4 by 10 or 40. Now, since the top is actually not part of a rectangle, it's a semicircle, the correct answer should be just a little bit under 40. And if we look at the answer choices, there's actually only one answer choice that is under 40. The first 2 answer choices are 40 plus something, so we can eliminate those. And the next 2 answer choices are 32 plus a thing that is more than 8, right? Remember that pi is approximately 3.14 or 22/7. Those are 2 good things to memorize for pi. Okay, so it's approximately 3.14, it's approximately 22/7. Either way you look at it, the first 4 answer choices are all greater than 40, and therefore the correct answer must be E. I'll show you how to solve this the proper way right after the intro. So for the proper textbook math solution, we'd have to make a couple of inferences here, right? So we know that the top is a semicircle, which means that the diameter of this circle, of which we have half a circle, the diameter is 4. That's kind of given, right? So it has a diameter of 4, which means the radius is 2, because the radius is half of the diameter. So that vertical distance from the top of the rectangle to the top of the semicircle is 2 feet, which means that the height of the rectangle is 8 feet, right? It's 10 minus 2, so 8. And we go, okay, the rectangle itself is 8 by 4, so that's 32. And then the semicircle is exactly half the area of the full circle, and a full circle has an area of pi r squared. In this case, we know that r, the radius, is 2. 2 squared is 4, so 4 pi would be the total circle, but since it's just half a circle, it's half of 4 pi, so 2 pi, and therefore altogether the area is 32 plus 2 pi. And the correct answer is E. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.